bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelier de Bond's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
All right, enjoy your tour, guys.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, I'll bust you and start things! Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! That's right! Run away!
You're welcome.
Hey, stop! I should hit this hard. Is that Disneyland? This is so cool! Yeah! So what happens if I push this balloon? Yeah, Scrunk, you got my Walkman. Yeah.
Hey guys, ready to go?
Our ride's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
What are you thinking of? You barely said this. It did nothing. We did all the fighting. You did not help us at all. You should be thanking me. Hey, trust.
Come on, it's
Ladies and gentlemen.